Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking over this smartwatch. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you what you get. Oh, I'm liking the style. It's a nice style. I love that finish. It says, please charge before using. Need to use your mobile phone, scan the manual. Please read user manual before use. So you appears that you have to use it with your phone. You can't just set it up without a phone. Some people might be a little disappointed by that. Charging cables in here. Extra straps are in here. Your manual and how-to guide is in here as well. We're going to go ahead and look it over and charge it up. Make sure underneath here you peel off the protective plastic as well as the top. But this is really sleek looking. I'm definitely really liking this so far. Definitely really liking it. Now let's see what happens when we connect the charger. See if we can get it on here right though. So yeah, that was the right way. We're gonna press and hold the button, see if anything happens. Okay, so we pressed and held it, turned it on. Okay, so it actually looks like you can so you can actually use this without the app. Because we went ahead and we just turned it on by pressing and holding the power button. And it's given us access to a lot of the stuff. Obviously, you're not going to be able to make phone calls and all that stuff. So you're not going to be able to do everything. But this is really cool, guys. Like, this is really cool. So there's your steps, heart rate, phone mode, night for sleeping. Looks like you can add different stuff on here. Like weather, workout, music. Definitely add the workout. Definitely add weather. And definitely, well, we don't need music for now. There's definitely a lot of things you guys can do with this. So there's working out. So all these different things you can work out in preset. So let's say we want to go running. We would tap running and now we would go for our run. And it would count everything from heart rate to calories to steps to miles to steps per minute. If you want to stop, you just tap the button on the side and click stop. And you can save data as well. Of course, we have the weather. This is obviously not our weather. We need to put in our correct, information. But this is really cool. Of course, you can read messages. Quick options over here. Some other options over here as well. Settings, style. It's a style switch. Let's try number 2. There's just tons of different things that you guys can do with this watch. This is really cool. And I love this style. Like, I think this style is really awesome. Screen display. Screen time, we're going to push it up to 30 seconds. And do brightness, raise to wake, all kinds of different stuff on here. Really cool. Really impressive. Of course, then we have over here dial, contact, call records, voice assistant, data, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, weather, female, music, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, password, find phone settings. And you got battery, just all kinds of different settings. Overall, very, very nice. This is probably, I would say, my top 5 favorite smartwatches by design. I really like this design. So, my friends, with that being said, it gets a Scoot approved. That's right. It gets a green card, a Scoot approved. That means we approve of this product.